2024 Best Motorcycle for Beginners Honda Rebel 300. In the realm of motorcycles tailored for beginners, the 2024 Honda Rebel 300 stands out as a stylish and accessible cruiser, offering novice riders an enticing combination of aesthetics, performance, and user-friendly features. Recognized as one of the best motorcycles for beginners, the Rebel 300 seamlessly combines Honda's engineering prowess with a design that exudes classic cruiser charm. In 2024, the Rebel 300 continues to capture the hearts of riders globally, serving as a symbol of accessible performance, confidence building, and the joy of mastering the art of cruiser riding. 1. Classic cruiser design with timeless appeal. The Honda Rebel 300 boasts a classic cruiser design with timeless appeal, setting it apart as a stylish and approachable option for beginner riders. With its low-slung profile, minimalist bodywork, and classic cruiser elements, the Rebel 300 exudes a sense of timeless elegance. Honda's commitment to a design that embraces cruiser aesthetics ensures that the Rebel 300 not only delivers a visually appealing riding experience but also stands as a symbol of the enduring allure of cruiser motorcycles. 2. Efficient single-cylinder engine for cruiser comfort. At the heart of the Rebel 300 lies an efficient 286 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, offering a perfect balance of accessible power and cruiser comfort. Honda's engine design prioritizes smooth power delivery and fuel efficiency, making it an ideal choice for novice riders navigating city streets and enjoying laid-back cruises. The Rebel 300's engine provides sufficient power for easy city commuting, relaxed highway cruising, and the joy of experiencing the cruiser lifestyle, offering a versatile platform for riders to embrace the cruiser ethos. 3. Low seat height and easy handling. Designed for ease of handling, the Honda Rebel 300 features a low seat height and a manageable weight that contribute to its responsive and user-friendly characteristics. The bike's balanced geometry and comfortable ergonomics make it easy for beginners to confidently navigate through city traffic, master the basics of cruiser riding, and enjoy the relaxed and laid-back experience that cruiser motorcycles are known for. The Rebel 300's approachable nature enhances its appeal, allowing riders to comfortably develop their skills and savor the joy of cruiser riding. 4. Comfortable seating and rider-friendly ergonomics. Crafted for comfortable riding, the Rebel 300 features rider-friendly ergonomics. The motorcycle offers a relaxed and laid-back seating position, mid-mounted foot controls, and a cruiser-style riding posture, ensuring riders can enjoy extended journeys without discomfort. Honda's commitment to rider comfort makes the Rebel 300 not only a stylish option but also a practical and enjoyable companion for daily commuting, weekend escapes, and exploring scenic routes with cruiser flair. 5. Integration of modern features. The 2024 Rebel 300 seamlessly integrates modern features to enhance the overall riding experience. These include an LCD instrument cluster, LED lighting for visibility, and Honda's engineering excellence, adding essential functionality to the classic cruiser package. Honda ensures that the Rebel 300 remains a technologically advanced choice, appealing to riders who appreciate the fusion of classic cruiser styling with essential modern features. Conclusion. The 2024 Honda Rebel 300 stands as a global icon of entry-level cruiser elegance, securing its position as one of the best motorcycles for beginners. Its classic cruiser design, efficient single-cylinder engine, easy handling, comfortable ergonomics, and integration of modern features make it an unrivaled choice for novice riders venturing into the world of cruiser motorcycling with a taste for timeless style. Whether mastering the basics, cruising city streets with grace, or embracing the laid-back cruiser lifestyle, the Rebel 300 encapsulates the spirit of Honda's dedication to crafting motorcycles that redefine the boundaries of accessible and stylish motorcycling. As a symbol of accessible performance, confidence building, and the joy of mastering the art of cruiser riding, the 2024 Honda Rebel 300 rightfully claims its place as a global legend in the realm of motorcycles for beginners.